use the Irish language in the PorterShed for our members. We have 25 member companies here at the moment and 75 members in total working here on a full-time basis. So we've had over 2,500 people come into the space for events since we opened last May. So it's great to see people coming in and seeing Irish in the space and recognising that we are a bilingual business. It starts a conversation about the language and more often than not in the language as well. I suppose the advantages of using the Irish language in PorterShed is that it creates a brilliant atmosphere in here. We got a delivery of the Piuc Suas Mé booklets today, including tech terms in Irish and the phonetics for them as well. And we had great fun sitting around the table today going through them all together. We started an initiative through Seachtain na Gaeilge called Focal an Lei, where members were filmed saying a tech word of the day in Irish, and everyone really enjoyed taking part in it, especially some of our international members. It went down really well on social media as well, so we're really happy about that. We think the Irish language needs to keep moving forward with technology, and we feel that we're playing an integral role in this by using tech words daily in our day-to-day business dealings and with our members using them as well.